Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $2630.230, and chances are very high it can go further upside, because what we have seen a strong level after making a high at all-time high. What we have seen, there is a continuous fall because profit booking comes at these levels. After that there is a fall. So if you look at the trends, what we have seen, a level of around 2563 is a strong support. Okay, as soon as the price started going below this particular level, and once the price started sustaining above a level of 2664, we can see there will be a probability of upside. A level of around 2536 is the down what we have seen around 3-4 days back. Okay, so if the trend started falling below this particular level, chances will be high it will go below a level of 2536 and then a further fall. Okay, so chances of going below a level of 2529 also we can see, and then towards this level of around 2593 a bounce back can come, or if it started falling below this level we can see a level of 2486. Okay, and then it will move in this particular zone for quite some time. Okay, so this is what we have seen now. After these patterns are being formed, the gold is trading in this zone wise. So if the price started going above a level of 2686, because that is a strong resistance, we can see it can go further upside. So probability of moving towards a level of around 2686, we can see it will go towards an upside, because 2686 is a strong resistance. So once the price started going above this level, a further high we can see. So you have to look at this pattern, because see, if the price started going below a level of 2536, a further fall. Once started going above a level of 2686, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, now if you look at the dollar index, there is a clear pattern. I have told you that if the price keep moving above a level of $102, chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, now it is trading at a level of 106.28. It has already moved above a level of 107, and I have already explained you that as soon as the price of dollar index started going upside, the gold price will also go down. Okay, because they are inversely related. Suppose the dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold price will come down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will come up. Okay, so if the price started going below a level of 106.1, we can see it can go towards 105.17 in T, and then from there a level of 104.5. Okay, so if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will come up. But if it started sustaining our level of $106.3, what we can see, it can go further upside towards 106.5 and then to a level of 107. So probability of moving further upside we can see in the price of gold. Okay, so you have to understand that once the dollar index started going upside, the dollar index started going upside, gold price will come down. Okay, so now if you again go on the gold price, what you can see looking at this particular chart, see, gold price sustained, now trading at a level of $2630, and chances of going towards a level of 2644 will be there, then to a level of 2655. So once the price sustain above 2655, probability of moving towards a level of, we can see it can, after crossing level of 2655, a probability of touching 2663 will be there. So this level is already being weak resistance, so chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, and what we can see, that once started going above a level of $2688, we can see it will go further upside. Okay, so a level at 2663, which is a weak resistance, so chances of going further upside we can see towards a level of 2686, and then we can see it can make a new all-time high. Okay, so once started going over 2686, a further upside we can see, because this is the level we have seen a strong and the weak resistance at a level of 2711. So probability of going towards 2721 will be there, and then it can make a new high. But if the price didn't sustain, okay, so after crossing 2749, it can cross a level of 2711, then to a level of 2721, then to a level of 2749. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards 2624, and then from the level of 2617. If the price started going below this level, chances of going further fall we can see towards 2601, and then to a level of 2593 will be there, because see, you have to understand this particular pattern is supporting the downtrend. So chances of falling further low we can see it at a level of 2587, and from there a level of around 25 60 also we can see as soon as the price started going below a level of 2593, because see this particular pattern is supporting towards downside, so chances will be high. So if it started going below a level of 2550 around, so you have to understand it can cross a level of 2535 and then it can go further low, because 2535 is a zone breakout will happen, so probability of moving